Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location, there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, you will be required to present photo ID and check-in. Take such measures credit cards such as all arrival and early even prior to arrival. One category of food you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Amenities and offers are available for this hotel along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking the room in this hotel, then click on the Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.